Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Maryland Darling Show, and welcome to an ink review. I'm gonna do something a little bit different this week, and if everybody likes it, I might do it for another week. But we're gonna mix things up just a little bit. I'm gonna share this with our friends so that they can come and hang out with us too. At this time, I would encourage you to share this with your friends so they can also come and hang out with us too. Oh my god, I'm so tired, you guys. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I'm exhausted. Okay. I'm all shared out. Hopefully some of our friends will come and hang out with us. So these are the inks that I will be reviewing this week. Today, I'm going to focus on the inks that I'm going to be reviewing and the papers. And then throughout the week, I will review, let's see, Tuesday will be a red and a pink. Wednesday will be an orange or a brown. Thursday will be blues and blue blacks. And then Friday will be green and teal. I think that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go over the paper reviews. I'm going to try and make these under 10 minutes long every day. So that way people can just watch the days that they want to watch for the parts that they want to watch, instead of having to watch all of them over a longer period of time. So this week we are looking at Monteverde, DC Supershow Teal, Fountain Pen Revolution Galaxy Blue, Blue number 232, Sailor Jentle Red Brown, Lamy Vibrant Pink, Birmingham Pen Company Emerald Fusion, and Diamine Ancient Copper. So these are the inks that I will be reviewing throughout this week. These are all fine. I have to be careful of the Emerald Fusion because it's got a sheen, heavy sheen on it. And I'm sure that this isn't even, it doesn't even look dry. But we will take a closer look at that. Okay. So, there's Emerald Fusion on CVS caliber. Look at that beautiful sheen. Wow. I did not get that sheen on the 3x5, so I had to put it on CVS caliber, and I'm going to glue that to a 3x5. Here is our ink swatch for Emerald Fusion. Here is our comparison panel for Ancient Copper. It's like a reddish brown ink swatch. So let me see, how do I want to do this? I haven't done any of the water resistance tests, So maybe we'll do I don't know how I want to do this. I want to overview of weekly inks. I want to do the water resistance test. I want to do the comparison panels. And I want to do the papers. I think that should be sufficient. So each day will be something different. So these currently do not have the water resistance test done on them. Grain of salt. Take everything today with a grain of salt. It's an experiment. I don't know what I'm doing. So each day we'll do something different. Now to figure out what I want to do when. So each day I will do like a 10-minute video just talking about a specific segment of the review process, because I have the overview, and then I have the water resistance test, and then the comparison panels. Comparison panels are probably going to take the longest, and then the paper reviews. So I think that maybe Monday we'll do the overview and the water resistance test. That sound good? I think that sounds good. And then the comparison panels will probably take the longest. And then Friday we can do, or maybe Tuesday we can do the paper reviews test. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it. Let's do, so here's our comparison panel for DC Supershow Teal. Nice, very nice. Here's our comparison panel for Lamy Vibrant Pink. Very nice. Here's our comparison panel for Ancient Copper. So it's a little more feathery. Here is our comparison panel of Emerald Diffusion. Has some really nice sheen going on. Here is this weird ink that I got. If anybody reads this language, can you please send me a message and tell me what this reads? I'm not sure what this says. Hello, Arcboy. How are you doing today? Emerald Fusion, yes, definitely. So if anybody reads this language, shoot me a message, tell me what this says, because I have no idea other than the numbers on the bottom. And it says 232, 2008, ISO 9001. I don't know what that means. So, this is this ink. I'm alright, hanging in there. Here is our comparison panel we're switching things up this week. We're doing like, I'm going to do smaller segments so that I can spread the review a smaller amount of time on the reviews every day. So today I'm doing the overview of the weekly inks, and then I will do the water resistance test, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we'll do Monday we'll do like a red brown. Tuesday we'll do like a green. And then maybe Thursday we'll do like a blue segment. Of just the comparison panels. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Do I have enough cotton buds? I am running out. I'm like devastated. The 99-cent store is closing. I'm just beside myself. I'm so upset about it. And like, I'm not one of those people that's like, oh, it's never gonna come back. But this time it's never gonna come back. And like, I want to go and buy all the things that I usually get from the 99-cent store. You know, things like the cotton buds and the paper towels and the sponges and the scrubber and the, you know, bathroom scrub brushes, you know. I mean, that's the place to go, you know, if you need those things, because it's useful. Now that it's closing down, hello Rockridge, how are you doing today? Do you know what this says? Do you read whatever language this is? I don't know what this says, but this is the blue 232 ink, just so everyone knows. Okay. This has no water resistance whatsoever. This one doesn't have any water resistance either. Or that one. Ooh, this one has some water resistance. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this one doesn't have any water resistance. Wow. That's how we do the water resistance tests. Usually you can tell the ones that have good amount of water resistance because they pretty much stay put. Okay, so that's how the water resistance test will be done. And then for the rest of the week, we will do 2 or 3 of the comparison panels every day. So tomorrow we will do the paper test. And I want to take a closer look at all of these. Okay. This is 68 GSM Tumbleweed River. Because we're not doing so many of these papers anymore, we can actually like take a second and zoom in and really take a look, a good long stare at these inks to make sure that they're not going to bleed through on the nicest paper. Very nice, very nice. Okay. And then we will go through all of these. Okay. And then we will do a comparison panel. When we do the comparison panel, we'll take an ink or two, depending on its color family, and if there are a couple of them that are similar, which is great because then I don't have to do too much work. Like these two kind of look like similar to blue, so I might do a blue day. And then these ones look very similar, so this would be like a brown day. And then we will, so for example, let's do browns for today. Let's just show you how it's going to work. This one will probably be just a little bit longer, but I understand that people will get really tired of looking at my ugly mug. So, oops. There we go. So we'll go through all of the red browns, see if any of these are similar. And actually, you know what, since we're doing just one thing a day, we can actually look at these a little bit closer to see if they are closer looking to them. And I will actually say out all of the names instead of just flipping through like I have been. So this one is Tasha Yumi Murasaki, or Umi Murasaki. Diatramentus William Shakespeare is a little purple. Ferris Wheel Pressed Lady Rose and Gold is way too pink. Walnut is too brown, it's too dark. Seize the Night. Diamine, Seize the Night is too dark. Sailor Urameko Kokoro Guma is like a brown, but it has like a blue undertone. It's weird. Carcos Brown is too brown. Jacques Nude is way too light. Ferris Whale Pressed Beaver Dam Brown is too dark. Roar and Cleaner Sepia is too dark. Noodlers Whaleman's Sepia is too dark. Ooh, here we go. Now we're talking with gas. Alright, this is Wearing Goal. Infinite Cube. These are starting to get a little closer looking in the colors. Not quite, but getting closer. I don't think I ever seen one wash away like that Monteverde Ancient Copper. Yeah. And those are all dried swatches, so I make sure that they're dry. This is Diamine Raw Sienna. Robert Ost and raw sienna's too purpley red. Robert Oster chocolate pudding is like a weird dusty brown. KWZ smells like coffee is like too coffee flavored. Pannonia Fahazico is too yellow. Oh, here we go. Diamine ochre. This one is way closer, but a little more brown. This one's a little more red. This one's a little more orange. Diamine cocoa shimmer. This one's got too many sparkles, and it's more like a chocolatey brown. Visconti sepia is a little too brown. Robert Oster hickory aflame is it's getting kind of close. This one's like a reddish brown. Califolio sepia's kind of a dusty, I almost say dusty chocolate color. Dusty chocolate color. Waterman Encre Havane is kind of a purpley brown. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, that one's getting kind of close to this one up here. Look at that. That's getting real close. Oops. Not too bad in the writing. The swatch, though, very similar. Wearing Gold, Queen of Hearts. This one's kind of a purplier color. Robert Oster Hippo Purple is kind of a purplier color. Noodler's Red Black is kind of closer to this one, but Cali Ink Brown is more of a calligraphy ink. It's very similar in this color, but not so much in the writing. It looks more like this one in the writing. Two gold Noodlers, Golden Brown is too gold. Again, Burley Wood is too yellow. Tiara Colorado is kind of close to this one. Dusted Truffle is a little too dusty. Diamine Saddle Brown is too dusty. Diatramentis Document Urban Sienna is too yellow. Pelican Edelstein Smoky Quartz is too brown. Oh, here we go. This Schaefer Script Brown. I think it's been discontinued, but I think it's more this color than this color. Pannonia Gitsenia Barna is closer to this one. Jacquet Lidete. I need to find that ink, redo that sample. This one's too brown. Noodler's Polar Brown is brown. Noodler's Walnut is too dark. Noodler's Nightshade is got a little bit of purple in it. Monteverde Scotch Brown is kind of dark. Diamine Yule Log is too yellow. Monteverde Sugar Brown is too purpley pinky. Troublemaker Nanita is too dark. Karen Dash Grand Canyon's too dark. Wrangell Mason's Song is too dusty. Birmingham Pen Company Muskrat is kind of a weird brown, dusty color. This Dominant Industry Ginger Chicken is close to this one, but they don't make this one anymore either. Ackerman Espiari Brown is also kind of close, kind of a mix between these two. Noodler's Beaver is kind of close to this one. Monteverde Pumpkin Cake is kind of close to this one. Like, if I didn't know better, I think these were the same ink. That's super close. Let's take a closer look. If I didn't know better. They're super close. They have the same over and undertones. It's very close. This Noodlers Kiowa Pecan is a little yellow. Diamine Terracotta is too light. Jacqueline Ancrebune is too, it's kind of close to this one. Diamond Golden Brown is too yellow. Brandy Snap is too yellow. Sepia's kind of light. Cognac Brown is kind of light. Tobacco Sunburst is too yellow. Rum Burning is too yellow. Cinnamon is too yellow. Cuttlefish Brown is too dark. Toffee Brown is kind of close to this one. It's like in the middle of those. Platinum Sepia Black is too yellowy, dark yellow. I don't know. Jacqueline Coco de Brazil, too dark. Muddy Bucket's too dark. Visconti Brown is in the middle. Pen BBS 510 is kind of purple. Diamine Winter Spice is brown. Monteverde Chocolate Pudding looks just like chocolate pudding. Too dark though. Chocolate Brown is too dark. Urban Sienna is kind of lighter than these. Oh, another say. Okay. Ferris Wheel Press Writing Desk is a little dark. Turquoise Shell Brown is a little dark. Private Reserve Chocolate's kind of dark. Diamine Pick Me Up's kind of dark. Lamy Crystal Topaz is kind of dark. And Diamine Beckett is too dark. So these are just examples of how the day will go. Segments of the day will go. I'm gonna end up switching things up. So tomorrow we will do the paper reviews. Let's see. Or maybe we'll do the paper reviews first. Anyway, so we'll do each of these segments once, depending on how many inks we do. I'm probably only going to do 5 inks a week. I've already reviewed Lamy Vibrant Pink, and I've already reviewed I think I might have reviewed DC Supershow Teal, but I'm going to have to go through my notes. I do have one other ink here, but I'm going to wait till next week to do that one, because I'm going to be cutting my views down to 5 videos a week, and 1 Bujo setup and 1 currently inked. And we'll do a Bujo setup video on Saturday, and currently inked on Friday, and a Bujo setup on Saturday. And we will have a calligraphy class on Wednesday. So, and a Zoom calligraphy class on Sunday. So we have lots of things to look forward to. That's all I've got for today. If you guys think that you're going to like this, hopefully you'll give me a little like and let me know. Or if you don't like it, please hit the thumbs down button, so that way I know that you don't like this at all. And hopefully this week will go by swimmingly. And if it doesn't, then maybe we'll go back to the old way. But we're going to try some things out and see how it goes. So, that's all I've got for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I do like the new format. Good. So, we'll see how things go. Next week will be whole different thing. So we'll see how things go. That's all I've got for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe. Ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. Check out the links in the doobly-doo. Check out my new website. Join the calligraphy class. Check out the paper reviews page. Join the Discord. And save 10% off on your next order to Pin Boutique or Atlas Stationers. I am an affiliate. When you use my link, I get a little commission. You get a discount. We both win. So, get out there and enjoy your life. Be with the people you love. Tell them you love them. And I love you to pieces. Have a great day. Okay, love you. Bye.